In this video, I'll show you how to create an invoice for time entries that have been created. This is typical for a time and material style project that you're working on for a client where you just charge them what your time entries are. So I'm in the invoice records and proposals screen in a project. You can get here from the views screen by choosing invoice records and proposals. Now I have a proposal here for $29,000 and we've accrued $6,800. That proposal may still also be time and material where we need to show the time entries or at least calculate from our time entries. You can do this by creating a new invoice right here and hitting save, and normally we just pull in what the proposal amounts were, but in this case we're not going to bill any of these this way. I'm just going to delete those line entries and I'm going to add a timeline, and I'm going to search for time entries. These are approved time entries now that have been submitted, and you can see these are the billable hours and the billable rate and the billable total for that. You can make adjustments here to say, well, we really can't bill all 8 of this. Let's just bill 6. Maybe we need to add an hour to this. And you can adjust what you're going to invoice here without affecting the real time entry that the person submitted. And then when you're ready to add those to the line, we're going to go ahead and add these just by clicking the button, and this will automatically calculate your chargeable amounts here. You can put a line number, and we can put a date. We're going to call this consulting. We're calculating it from the time entries and we're saving it. So now we have an invoice where all of the lines on an invoice record were calculated from time entries. You can also enter a line item just ad hoc. So if there aren't time entries there, but you want to say we want to just go ahead and charge them a fixed total, you can say we're going to charge an extra $1,000 here of labor, and that adds another $1,000. Or you can calculate hours and quantity, another 4 hours times $200, and it'll add that in of more consulting. So this lets you build up a invoice right out of Project Insight, and then you can hit ready to download and export that to your accounting system like QuickBooks Online. If we head back to our project plan, you can see now our original proposal was $29,000. We've got $6,800 worth of billable time that our team entered, and we've invoiced $8,600. You can see all that from one screen, and here's this invoice record here. At any time, the project manager can come take another look at it and see what we billed. This data is all connected so that when you go to a report, you can see where you are on your whole entire portfolio all at once.